Welcome to deliciousLee with Ara. Today we're gonna make the perfect Shin Ramyun, of course, with using the Kim's Ramyun. This super amazing machine because all you just have to do is just put everything and siya na bahala magluto para sa ating lahat. Now get your pot and your ramyun. So Shin Ramyun actually is one of the spicy noodles in Korea. So put it lahat sa ating pot. And it has 2 packets, so we're gonna have to like konting shake lang para hindi siya matapon. The word Shin Ramyun, the Shin is actually a spicy Shin, kaya you have to really expect this to be one of the spicier cuts. Lahat ng mga tao who really love spicy, this is what you go for you to really try out how spicy you can go. And for you to have the perfect ramyun and for the different toppings, you really have to know what's in your ramyun to enjoy yung mga bagay sa kanya na toppings. Hindi po basta-basta lahat ng gusto nyo toppings ilagay sa ating mga ramyun. Shin Ramyun is very much shiitake mushroom based, kaya when you try the soup, it has a very parang meron siyang round aroma of a lot of the mushrooms. And it's also parang beef based and with a lot of the spicy seasonings on it. The toppings I got for this, ang bagay sa kanya talaga is mga meat, and let's just go classic with egg and mushrooms. So lahat ng mga mushrooms na gusto nyo ilagay, this is a perfect match in heaven almost when you want to do the mix and match for your ramyun. I got here some sliced pork, sliced samgyeopsal. It's good to parang medyo nagbabalance off siya ng spiciness ng ating ramyun. So I got here enoki because it still has like parang shiitake mushroom base. So I just wanted parang mild up ko lang with the enoki mushroom. But if you have other kinds of mushrooms available in the toppings, is where you can actually add and it will be a great company. The eggs, I will not add it now. Gusto ko talaga siya add medyo mamaya pag medyo down to 1 minute na lang para I have the perfect yellow yolk pa rin. And also my green onions or my leeks. I'm not gonna add in any more garlic because it's spicy already. Now, very simple. Just put all your toppings in there, press and start, and we just have to wait. Because I added here my thinly sliced samgyeopsal or my pork, medyo haluin natin ng konti para ma-evenly cook yung ating pork. But because the water itself is very hot and manipis naman talaga yung ating karne, it will actually evenly cook naman. I can already smell the oil of my samgyeopsal. Yung parang masasarap na taba niya nag-melt sa ating soup. And also this amazing fragrance together with my enoki mushrooms and my leeks. So now down to 1 minute, I'm gonna add in my egg. Let's put it on the center. And wag na siya siyang haluin because once you mix it up, break yung ating egg and it can actually have the parang medyo hindi siya malinaw yung ating soup. And I really want to retain my egg. And you don't really have to worry about your pork not being cooked because manipis naman talaga. And the temperature of this is perfectly enough to actually cook in all your toppings. I can already smell the perfect fragrance of my pork, my enoki mushrooms, my green onions, and of course, the Shin Ramyun. Parang nakakagutom talaga, amoy pa lang. Now, I can see that my egg is almost cooked. I will not touch it kasi gusto ko yung yolk niya, yung medyo parang ma-yolky when I eat it. So, I'm down to my 15 seconds. I can't wait. So I added a little bit of a garnish of my green onions and I can smell the amazing my Shin Ramyun, and you can see yung yolk niya perfectly cooked the way I want it. So I hope you enjoy my perfect Shin Ramyun, the Kim's Ramyun Way. So see you next time. Enjoy!